तेजी हो या मंदी, बाजार की और सच्चा नजरिया। छोटे इन्वेस्टर्स के फायदे को ध्यान में रखते हुए शेयर, फॉरेक्स और कमोडिटी बाजार, देश के हर कोने से एक्सपर्ट की सलाह। अहमदाबाद से प्रकाशित होता हुआ आर्थिक साप्ताहिक The Economic Revolution.
Hello friends, I am here again in front of you. You have my IPO reviews available on chitragarh.com. But here I would like to say something about the second main board IPO, which is opening on 1st September and closing on 3rd September. This company is Vijaya Diagnostic Limited, which is South-centric diagnosis services company, and is coming out with its secondary offer. Secondary offer means pure offer for sale offer of about 1895 crore, and company is going to charge about 522 to 531 rupees per share of rupees 1 each, and you have to apply for a minimum of 28 shares or in multiple thereafter. This company has definitely posted good performance in the last 3 fiscals with rising turnover and rising profit. If we talk about the results, then of course for FY19 company posted a turnover of about 303 crore with a net profit of about 46.3 crore, which grew to 389 crore in FY21 with a net profit of about 85 crore. So company has shown consistency in its top and bottom line with the growth pattern. But as I said, this is the second company from South which is going public. As we know, recently Krishna Diagnostic Limited also went public, but it has performed very badly post listing, and it has already shaken the investors' confidence as far as diagnostics sector is concerned. Whereas this company, which is coming with this IPO, is considering Dr. Lalpath Lab and Metropolis as its listed peers, and is not considering Krishna as its competitor. Maybe because by the time they filed RSP, this company was in the process of IPO and what knows states are not known. But now when we have the info about Krishna Limited, which is a South-based company, and this also is a South-based company, whereas Dr. Lalpath and Metropolis are the pan-India presence company. So here, if we talk about this super performance of FY21, then also company's IPO is at almost about 41 PE at 531 rupees per share of rupees 1 each, whereas Krishna was at currently quoting at a 15 PE. So I think this also is a fully priced IPO from diagnostic sector from the southern region. And I would only suggest that those who are ready to take risk and having surplus fund may consider investment in this fully priced IPO. Others can definitely consult their financial advisor and then take a final call for investment. But in my view, this company may not show good performance post listing because its even grey market premium also has declined sharply in last 3-4 days. And currently it is negligible, I can say so. So chances of opening this IPO also at discount is very, very possible. So you have to bear this in mind and take a final call. Thank you.